Pedali, Jen, pedali. Laos naman na. Laos.
Hey Passport Bro team, this is T again, and today is a very, very special day. It's a sunny day in the Queen City of the South, and a special day because we're joined by our newest host, which is Jen.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Say hello. Hi.
Hey guys.
Hi Jen. How was the travel going here in Cebu City?
It was okay. It's kind of bit like tiring.
But anyway, where did you come from, Jen? Because Jen, by the way, is not from Cebu. So, like, give a brief introduction.
I came from Badian. That's in the province of Cebu, southern part of Cebu.
All right. So, we stopped over for lunch. I brought Jen to one of the most famous carinderia. Like, it's a what do you call this? A carinderia is a type of, it's not a restaurant, but it's like a kilid type of restaurant where you can order like bits and pieces of food. So where did we eat for lunch, Jen?
We had to stop over at Port Ebel to get our lunch. That's
Across? I think it's across SM City, Cebu.
Yeah. And we had pork belly, grilled fish, kinilaw, and many more. Gusto.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's like sutukil. So it's sugba, which is grill. Tua. What is tua? Stew. And kilaw, which is eating it raw, but with like it's like ceviche, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, what was your favorite from all the food that we had earlier for lunch?
Gusto and pork belly.
Gusto and pork belly. It's the perfect Filipino combination.
Yes.
But anyway, guys, we'll be right back because we're gonna head to Danasan Eco Park and Adventure, something like that. But we're gonna give you details how you can get there and what you can do right there.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so we're actually in the middle of Cebu right now. We're in the middle of the mountains going to Danao. So from the Danao city proper, you have to like travel like around an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, and expect that it's a long and winding road, uphill, downhill, and the road kind of varies. So there are parts of the road where it's kind of broken and some parts are smooth sailing, but expect a long drive. And of course, I hope when you visit Danasan Eco Adventure Park, that your driver is very pro at the road, because it's really a rough ride from the city proper. So there you go. More information on how you can get there in a bit. Hey again, Passport Bro team. This is T and
This is Jen.
yeah, so we have finally freaking arrived here at the Danasan Eco Adventure Park here in Danao City in Barangay Danasan. It was a hell of a ride, you guys. I can't begin to explain. It was like an hour plus from Danao City proper going here, and we keep thinking that we're gonna get lost. But lo and behold, we're here. So how can we get here, Jen?
So to get here from the Danao City proper, passing by Barangay Look multipurpose building, there is a roundabout. Just turn left, straight ahead, passing through or passing Prince Warehouse Danao, and reach another runabout and at Barangay Cambyuhan Danao with Ecofilo Bakery as landmark. Just drive straight until you reach the Langub Bridge, turn right, and that's the way to the park, and you'll just have to follow the signage till you get there. Via Waze, you just have to pin Ecofilo Bakery. From there, keep straight until you reach the Langub Bridge, turn right, and then drive straight to Danasan.
Turn right and you have arrived at your destination. So we're gonna go on an adventure. What do you want to go first? Like, there's a lot of things. What are you excited for?
I'm excited about the
Wakeboarding?
Yeah, wakeboarding.
Have you tried wakeboarding?
No, not yet. It's gonna be my first time.
Yeah.
Let's
So
go.
I'm excited for the horseback riding and the zipline, and we're gonna go kayaking later on.
Yeah.
We're gonna go on an adventure. Let's go, guys. It's almost raining. Let's go. So we're gonna try out a lot of activities because right now they're at 20% off on their selected activities. So first off, we're gonna try the zipline and horseback, followed by the ATV and maybe skydrop. Tomorrow we're gonna do the whole water excursions and of course the swimming pool. It's at 9 p.m. So we're gonna do all that together with Jen. She's changing so we can get ready for all the activities that Danasan Eco Adventure Park has to offer. So come and join us, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
All right, now we're gonna do our first activity here in Danasan Eco Adventure Park. We're gonna do zipline. So that's gonna be our first activity. So come with us as we...
Have you tried ziplining before?
I tried once, Tried once. So this is gonna be my second time.
Getting ready. Doing horseback riding right now. Jen's there. Let's go, Jen. First time, Jen. Let's go. This is my horse. Say hi, Jerry. Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Mo ba? Yung nasakyan bagyo mo si pinakasipat. Say hi, Jen. Oh, umiga expect na ni di kalayo mabtan. Hindi ko sabi. Kulbaan. Kumusta? Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Jerry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, so you just rode your first horseback ride. How was it?
It was scary.
Why?
It was really scary, but like when the horse was going down,
Then downhill.
it was pretty scary. Yeah, it was pretty scary, but it gets like better.
chill, right?
Chill,
Like
yeah.
especially this area, patag na. So it's smooth sailing from there. Would you do it again?
For sure, it was fun. It was fun at the same time scary.
Yeah.
I would do it again.
Nice.
sure.
A nice experience. Okay, so we're gonna do sky bike in a bit. We're just waiting for our other friends to come on over. We're not gonna do the sky drop, no?
No, because it's too
120 feet, 120 feet.
120
I
feet.
cannot. So we're gonna do the sky
Scary.
bike because we really like to relax. We just got here and we've done all these activities. So we're just gonna enjoy and relax, right?
Yes.
There you go.
Gi. Pedali din, pedali. Gi, okay na lang. Pedal lang. Lakas naman na. Go.
Hindi man sa mukada, alin kahit man
Mas gauna pa yung syagit kaysa sa pagtinda ko eh. Mas nagkaya pa siyang syagit eh.
Hey guys, so here we are at ATV. So we're gonna try ATV. This is gonna be my first time
Also
trying.
mine. Also
Yeah,
mine.
yeah, yeah. And if you wanna try this out soon, it's gonna be 1,000 per head.
1K, that's
So,
1K pesos.
Come with us as we experience our first ATV.
Let's go! I like the big bike. Alright, so we're done with the ATV our first time and we got soaked in the rain. As you can see, we're dripping wet, but how was it?
It was really fun, and
How was it?
It was really fun. It was really fun. And if you're looking for really adventure experience, this is it. You should try this one when you go to Danasan.
Yeah, everything. Expect muddy, watery, you're gonna get dirty, you're gonna get wet and wild right here at the Danasan Eco Adventure Park. Right? So we're gonna go back to our room, we're gonna clean ourselves up and we're gonna go awasa, hot bath, something like that. We're gonna relax after a long day. Hey again, Passport team. It's the second day of us here at the Danasan Eco Adventure Park, and today we're gonna do water excursions, which is
We're gonna go wakeboarding right now. We're just waiting for someone to guide us to go there. And
yes. Yes. They have a provided service here. Someone will pick you
yeah.
up and let you off on your stop, wherever that is. And also we're gonna do what's the second one?
Kayaking.
Kayaking and
Yes.
wakeboarding. So wakeboarding is for $6.50 for regular rate, and then kayaking is for $150 for the regular rate. Because right now they have 20% off discount. I'm not sure when it ends, but anyway, yeah. If you want to do water excursions, this is our first time doing wakeboarding, right?
Yes.
As you can see,
And
my
kayaking
arms
is
are
gonna-
very. First time for kayaking?
Yeah.
You'll be fine. But for wakeboarding, as you can see, my arms are flimsy, so good luck to me.
Posey.
Good luck to you. Good luck to everyone out there. So come and join us fail as we wakeboard for the first time.
Kaput lang. Kaput lang. Alam ka. Nice, go!
I won't do it again. Hey there, Passive Road team. It's T and
Jen.
yes, and we are on our way home from a very, very happy weekend at the Danasan Eco Adventure Park, where what did we do?
Yeah, we did zip line, we did horse back riding, wakeboarding. That was very fun.
Yeah, that happened the
I
next
really
day.
enjoyed it. What else?
ATV.
ATV.
ATV kayaking.
And
Kawa hot bath. You'll understand what we're talking about when you see the whole video.
yeah, the whole video.
But anyway, what was your favorite part about the whole Danasan Eco Park adventure experience?
My most favorite part is
For sure
on the
wakeboarding.
first day we did the activity.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed ATV,
Uh-huh.
and then on the second day, wakeboarding for sure. I really enjoyed it.
From those two, ATV and wakeboarding, which one?
Oh, that's hard, but I would pick like wakeboarding.
Yeah,
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Jen could stand on her first try, which is amazing.
Yeah.
For me, it would be ATV. Hands down ATV. I like wakeboarding, but it's tiring. But I like the ATV part because it rained. If you saw the video, it rained while we were doing the ATV, so it's more thrilling. And there's a lot of mud, water, so it's better. But anyway, are you down to do another adventure next?
For sure. Why not?
All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, Passport Pro team. Don't forget to.
Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.
That's
Bye,
right.
guys.
So once again, this has been T and
Jen,
see you soon.
you, bye.